Guys, do you know where we're going later? Who can answer me? Aeroplane? Where's the country that we're going?
Malaysia.
We're going to Malaysia. We're already in Malaysia. Where are we going?
Korea.
Yeah, we're going to the airport and we're heading to Korea.
Yes.
And it's I think it's your first semi-long haul flight. It's gonna be 7 hours.
7 hours.
I think the longest flight you had was 3 hours to Hong Kong or to KK. Alright? So it's gonna be a long day. Let's check what you packed for this trip. Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what Maurice is gonna bring. Okay, Maurice, show us what's inside your bag. We'll for Kayleigh later. We'll do yours first. So what did you pack for this trip?
I got it empty.
It's gonna be 7 hours, you know. So you're gonna have to pack something useful. And we're going to Korea. It's gonna be very cold. Did you bring a jacket? Yeah. You got a jacket here. It's good. What book is this?
When I was going.
Huh? What is this? Oh, it's a coloring book.
And then.
Good. This is good. It's gonna keep you occupied on the plane. What is this? Some snacks. You can see.
And then.
Oh, what car is this? Can you tell us what is this?
And then some and this color you see like this.
Okay. What about this one? Why are these in the box?
Yeah, McQueen, and then this is the perfume.
Oh, this one will change color, is it? When it's cold? Oh yeah, this one when it's cold it will change color, so you can play it in Korea when you're in the snow resort. It'll be quite interesting.
And then we have.
That's mine, dude. It's a phone pin. That's mine. What? So you have one book, a snack, a car, and a lorry,
And then there's my
this
stuff.
color shifter
And
toys.
my jacket.
Okay. Alright. Good. Oh, what about you, Kayleigh? See, let's check your bag.
That's Diego.
Do you know where we're going, Kayleigh? Do you know?
I got answer.
Alright, let's see your bag. What do you have? Alright, what? Okay, let's check out this front compartment first. Nothing.
Yes.
Alright, it's good. Keep it light. Keep it like it's good. Okay, what do you have inside?
Rainbow.
So you have a Minnie Mouse.
I'm gonna pack this.
What? Why you bring this? Why do you bring this? There's no need to bring that.
I'm gonna bring.
Okay, some milk.
I'm gonna bring this.
This one I'll bring it. Okay, I'll hold it for you. This is a little bit too sharp for kids. Okay. What else do you have? You have a lunch box. What's inside the lunch box? Let's check it out. Oh, okay, a lot of stuff. No need to take it out. No need to take it out. Bit nice and neat inside. Milk. Is that all? So for toys you have this one, Lego, and a Minnie Mouse,
One more thing to show.
and your lunch box.
This is a plate.
Yeah?
A plate.
Yes.
A
Nice.
plate.
You don't need. Let's check Mommy's bag.
Yes.
Let's check Mommy's bag. Let's go. Oh. So Mommy packed some snacks, Pampers, extra Pampers because this time is a long haul flight. Well, it's a semi-long haul flight, so we have.
As a book.
Okay, more stuff for you guys to do.
Baby.
Okay.
Baby.
Baby, a blanket. And then what is this? What's this?
She wants it.
Wallet.
She eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses, yeah. What's this one?
Nowhere else.
That's all? Okay. Oh, and then this. Oh, what is this for, Mommy?
That's Maurice.
This is your sheet, your airplane seat cover. Alright. Why do you need an airplane seat cover? Can you tell us why? Huh? Because you don't like the chair? Because you don't like leather seats? Because you don't like leather seats. is this?
Mask.
Okay, mask. Alright,
And
now
wallet.
so we have a wallet, money, some antibacterial wipe, some mask and tissues. Alright, good job. Thanks, Katie. Are you ready to eat?
Eat first. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay.
There's a what?
The kids station.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same. Maybe we can move here. So we're gonna eat something first, alright?
Maybe yeah.
Chicken. Alright, rice for you? Or popcorn chicken? What drinks do you want? Oh, there's more here. There's more here. Crunchy porridge.
Go higher up
Nice.
the flower.
Sushi. You wanna eat the flour? You wanna eat the flour? So many things to eat. Siu mai, oh yeah. There's siu mai, vegetarian siu. Oh no. They have two types of siu mai.
And there's 2 types of that.
Yeah, what do you want to eat? Huh?
Oh,
And then fries, popcorn chicken. That's how you eat. Eating like a little bird. And rice. Oh yeah. You know how to use a chopstick? Why don't you show me how to use it? How to use a chopstick? Huh?
bigger, 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 bigger.
And smaller, 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 smaller. How do you use a chopstick?
I'm a tiger.
Yo, what?
Wow.
Oh look, maybe I can do it. Oh, good job. Nice. Siu mai is good. I'll get 10 siu mai. You want siu mai? You want siu mai, Kayleigh?
你的那个这个是 beef 来的，
什么来的？
是 beef，不是
哦
仔是这个。
I'm gonna get 10 siu mais. Siu mai is the best.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Here's the famous peanut. You always travel in business class?
No,
Why today you're traveling in business class?
because of my Maybank card.
Because there was a buy one free one deal. Because there was a buy one free one deal from Maybank. You're not tired? Oh my goodness.
Hold.
Yeah, the bullet.
Yeah. Big hole.
Snail. For 820, still not boarding yet.
Oh no!
Where do you get your shoes from? Where do you get your shoes from? From Decathlon. The cheapest shoes. Cheapest winter shoes. It's very hot. Huh? 149. 热，非常热。可能我的袜子很热。
你穿什么袜子
Air Jordan 啊。
我穿这种 OK 我。
你呢個係 Decathlon 㗎嘛？
啊，
阿公勃勃，
呢幾錢啊？
149。
我
咩咁靚嘅？你嘅四九？
你呢個幾多
它是
錢？
女生的。
你呢個同我一樣啊？
你呢個最貴咯。
哦，係啊，呢個幾好喎。
呢個係200。
幾好着㗎。
高高。
咧？
呢個 stylish 啲，有 two tone。
哦，誒，
係咯，但係呢樣係瓜子啊
好，似冇咁香啊。
可以拆。If you don't sleep, we cannot land. Can you sleep later? After you finish your movie, can you sleep?
No, when I get tired.
It's very late right now. Okay, you sleep later, okay?
I'll do when I get tired.
No, now.
No.
If I sleep, we have to sleep.
No.
Okay?
No, when I
Then you
get
cannot go Korea.
No, when I get tired.
No! God, please, no!
You see a line? You see a line? Say sleep. Can you press it? S-L-E-E-P.
L.
S-L-E-E-P.
Wait.
There's a line, right?
S. S. S first?
S, yes, L.
Found it.
Okay, press it. Press it. Longer, press and hold. Yeah, you can sleep now. Right? Okay?
Mommy, look at my skin.
Lie down, lie down, lie down. Press longer, press longer. It's not flat yet. Wow. Alright. Climb higher, climb higher.
Then do I need to press it more?
Oh, okay. And that's all flat.
Mommy, can you see me?
Okay. 10:30, go sleep. What do you need? What do you need?
You're my seat.
Good night. When you open your eyes, there will be a new city.
Daddy, can you bring me up?
Yeah.
when the plane lands.
Yeah. Before the plane lands, I'll wake you up.
Before.
Yeah. When the sun is out, I'll let you know.
Turn it out.
Yeah.
Maybe the plane until the sun come up.
Yeah.
Not
Before the sun comes out.
before.
You excited? But you have to sleep first.
Okay.
Right now, it's the main course. What time is it? It's 11:30. Are you not sleepy? Are you tired? Are you tired? Tired, right? You're not tired at all? We slept for 2 hours. 2 hours it. No one slept. So
Kayleigh slept for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. I think Maurice maybe 3 hours. So we didn't quite rest well, and we made a mistake. What was the mistake?
No, we did not fill up the
Must
arrival
fill up
form.
the landing card for the kids because they don't have the ETA visa.